Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. International supermodel Stacey McKenzie to strut for Sagicor Sigma Run. For the 2019 staging of the popular road race, Sagicor has recruited international supermodel and America's Next Top Model runway coach Stacey McKenzie as a patron for this year's Sagicor Sigma 5K corporate walk run. Speaking at the media launch, the statuesque beauty shared her appreciation at being selected as a patron.
Yes, it's my first time participating in the Sigma Run. For me, what made me want to be a part of the event as well is more so, well, not more so, but it's because of the children, like giving back to the kids, because I actually work with kids as well. I have a foundation that I worked with dealing with children, and that was what touched me with the work that Sagicor has done for the youths. So I was like, yeah, man, I do it. And then we find out about the run and everything. I was like, that I have to do it. I'm like, okay, I'll do it.
The Kingston-born Canadian-bred fashion model also outlined her race tactics.
No, I haven't done any training yet. I'm definitely going to be strutting. So I just found out that on the bibs, that is going to have, like, you know, whatever it is that you're doing is a lucky thing they told me, because I would have been, what if they would have had run on there? Me would have run for 2 minutes, I'm faint because of the long distance, but I'm going to be strutting and walking.
Also joining Stacey McKenzie as a patron at this year's run is world and Olympic champion Yohan Blake. Comedian Christopher Daly, who replaces dearly departed comedian Elva Ruddock, will take the reins on Knutsford Boulevard at the start line.
Wow, I have a huge shoe to fill. I mean, Elva's got the biggest energy ever in the world. But you know what? I'm going to bring in my energy, and my energy is high energy. It's fun. It's making people laugh, keeping the good feeling going, because it's far worthy cause.
The Sagicor Sigma Corporate Run is the largest road race in the Caribbean and has raised over $350 million in donations for numerous beneficiaries. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.